polish it pan you. Bout your lack of pipe at night time. Crosses must have follow you, you know. Me can't wait for the day for me get out of this godforsaken place.
Daisy, rise and shine. And greet the morning with a smile. Your job interview is today.
Thanks, Mr. White. May I come?
If that Langolala broaded Benfoot black Tutus bed with galaxy, don't have them magamongole, I'm going to block them friggin' neck, you know. And the landlord, him is another one. Him is another one. Look on the hang panel gate, eh? Why am I fix it? Make the place look like any damn parkhead tracks. Man in here, Mr. White, is how you absurd.
Early to bed, early to rise, make a man healthy and wise. Give thanks and praise to Jah Rastafari.
You know, look so wise to me, you know. With all them Jaja talking, they're talking, and you don't make no sense.
I, man, don't deal with negative vibes so early in the morning. Positive iration make I trod true creation.
You want to down through this gate and don't come back?
I, man, don't deal with back. Forward ever. Hey, Merle, free up the water.
Look here, this water business don't go so, you know. We don't have a reservoir here, and we don't have river. So this free up water business we have to go stop. Oh, I lock off the pipe every night because Beryl and her teeth in Pitney, them always come out and come teeth the water. Why don't you use some salt and vinegar?
I, man, cool. Yeah, I cool, man. Fresh air from Jah. Jah is thy light and salvation. Whom shall I fear?
The gunman, them out of street.
I fear no one. Jah protect I every time. Hey, Merle, you know, the eye should start to use chew stick. Look at eye teeth.
Look here now, you know about sorry for me, you see? Far from me ban the amount of sugar cane when me eat. Me not use chew stick, so just allow me make me brush my teeth in peace.
The meek shall inherit the earth and the fullness thereof.
And if you don't be careful, you say, you're going to inherit a boss dinner today.
Jah never give a man more than he can bear.
You're on this Jaja business. You know I don't understand you. How can a tall man like you worship a short man like Selassie? The man is stunted in growth. He is a dwarf.
Power and strength is not in one's height or big head. Money, lazy.
Wait, who dead?
You, mama.
Me dear, even if my mother did dead, she would never be caught wearing them horse scraps is there. Go on, what you got the odds and ends?
Daisy, you look like a princess.
Thanks, Mr. White.
Like a princess coming out of the tomb of death.
Just watch it, Miss Mother Langton, because we just sit down by you, boy.
Come, sit down, pa me. Sit down, pa me, dirty Daisy.
Peace and love now. Trod on, Daisy.
Trod on is right. I don't know if every morning she gets up. I don't know where she going.
When we go, we do is filmy business.
You're so right, Mrs. Straggy.
Well, you don't wink out there, boy. If anybody say one thing, you say they just color him. Hey, you don't know me yet, boy.
Me dear, me no want to know nothing more about you. The only thing me that want to know about you is the weather not your dash rebellion. You didn't know anything about that, Mr. White?
That's a really nice dress you have on, Daisy.
Thank you, sir.
It favor me old tablecloth.
And my man sent this from foreign, boy.
I don't know why I'm doing send for you.
No make that bother you, because one day you're going to wake up and you're going to miss me. You hear me, boy? You're going to miss me.
Level, Daisy, level.
You're right, Mr. White. See you later.
And you, Miss Garbandizer, please remember say a woman for me. No, come now. Come Come, I want you come lick me, man. Make a tear up your scraps off of you. Fiercey.
Why don't you try and make peace with Daisy instead of fussing every day?
Fussing in on my blood.
Merle, why don't you like Daisy?
Mr. White, I know say me not like that girl, you know, sir. But every time I try to talk to her, she go on like she nice on me. I me like her, you know, but chap, she too show off and bossy.
That is the way of Babylon, to bring malice and contention with loved ones. Merle,
Are we are frightened me for Rasta?
the eye would like a word with the eye. Irie? Because the eye is a conscious bald head, and I respect the eye. Seen eye?
Aye, no, but I'm with them high business there, you know. Tell me something, you drink mad puss piss hour.
Oh man, just listen to the eye, seen? The eye would like to reason with the eye.
Try job.
Listen to the eye, man. Babylon is trying hard to keep I and I down.
Me sorry for you. Babylon I try hard to keep you down. Let me ask you a question, you see. Let me really ask you one. You ever try seeing a psychiatrist or something?
That is Babylonian way of making I and I a reject of society. But I stand firm. You see, Merle, I want to make some progress.
You want progress? Well, move out of the yard and don't come back.
I'm man on a mission. Jah take I from out of bondage and put I in this land of wood and water. But Babylon is all around the eye, and it is up to I and I to crash down Babylon's mentality with the teaching of Jah. Well, Babylon is testing I now. Have I swinging on a pendulum, teaching here, teaching there, nothing steady, putting obstacles in I and I way.
Me know it's not easy being a Rasta, you know. That is why me is a ballhead. Because them have some fraud boy out there who are parade, say them a Rasta, you see. But them is not but I said that criminal and thief. And it's them same man making it difficult for the true Rasta man who have to face tribulation in a Babylon. But master, when the pressure get hot, you're going to find out who is who from who is what not.
I and I know that there is wolves in sheep clothing, but they can't scare the shepherd away.
Master, you have a lot to learn.
I'm not giving up, Merle. The struggle continues.
The race is not for the swift, but those who can endure it.
Jaja on my side, nothing can stop us. Well, it get rough sometime. Anyway, I'm not giving up. If I could only get a start for a basic school or a loan for the bank.
Then doing that is Babylon institution.
Yes, Mura, that is Babylonian institution. But Jah work in a mysterious way. Jah give I and I knowledge. It is how I and I use it.
Let me ask you a question, you see. Do you have family or foreign? Why you don't write to them and tell them to send down some things here so that you can start do some selling on the sidewalk?
I don't know how to sell on sidewalk.
It's easy. So long as you can talk and you can count, you qualify. Just say, foreign goods.
Foreign goods?
No man, not so fenke. Watch me mouth. Foreign goods.
Foreign... Oh, the eye didn't cut out for that.
Cut out. So you think they did cut out for suffer? Master, just write to your family them here.
But the eye don't overstand.
Overstand? Try and understand me.
My parents thinking I doing well, living in a comfortable middle-class neighborhood.
Well, as far as I can see around me, this is nowhere a middle-class neighborhood. Although I wouldn't say it's low-class either. Look here, why don't you write to your parents, let me see, and tell them you're living into a class by itself?
Oh, Merle, my parents are saying they might come and visit here real soon.
Kiss me, Aunt Ferry. You mean coming here? In a this yard?
Sinai.
Mr. White. May I beg you write them and tell them, say, he send some red peas to me and some corned beef and a whole heap of onions and enough toilet paper. You know, this place can really look like a house in Beverly Hills, you know, minus a swimming pool and a decent latrine. Boy, run! No! What? Let me ask you something. You're faster than Ben Johnson.
He's who own them Agadog.
If them did all on your cheesy foot, you don't know who own them.
Sure.
Tell me something now. You faster than the racehorse them when you out.
Hey, racehorse is my bread and butter. A matter of fact, the track me I come from right now. What? Your motor always depend fast forwarding.
Because it never make with no rewind.
Sure, you just full of talk, man. Sure. Hey, Mr. White, are you me come for see?
The eye service is always available.
Private.
Master, nothing in this yard is private here. So you just go away. It's just because me and my business, you know. I mean, I have no time to sit down and listen to rubbish.
Sure. So, Mr. White.
And look here now, please, when you leave in your seat, carry your stinking smell with you.
Boy, I like him, Mr. So, Mr. White, how the business going?
Right now, the eye boat rocking, man.
Rocking. Exactly, man. Don't worry about that, man. Try some of my stuff, because I have just the stuff to calm the storm.
The heart is willing, but the pocket is weak.
Hey, me have the best stuff around the place, man. Alright, me adjust the price to suit you.
I don't think that will be necessary. The bread is running out, so the eye have to curtail the eye spending. Well, the eye was just talking with Merle.
Oh, Merle, he don't know nothing, man. He have 2 tongues.
But he's a very wise man.
Anything you say, anything you say. So what? You buying the stuff, sir?
Try and overstand the eye spot lamp. I'm trying to turn our life around, make some progress, help the children. I want to step it out of Babylon.
Step out with the stuff and feel contented, man. Yeah, man. Like a king, man.
Stuff get to our head too quick, man.
Exactly.
Right now, what I need is some cool and free meditation.
Exactly, man. You must make me mess up your brains, you know, man.
But say, that smell don't go yet.
Babylon is the perpetrator of I and I downfall. Like the eye not having a job for the past 2 years.
Trouble. Don't make that worry you, man. Just burn this cliff and feel nice.
Babylon handling the eye well crucial. If it weren't for Jah, the eye would gone mad long time.
Sure, he didn't feel it when them see the eye stepping out, man, and the cool meditation. Yes, no fregnation. So what? You buying the stuff, sir?
Oh man, the eye passing.
Passing? That's bad news to me, man, because I really need some money well bad. Bad too. Anyway, never asked for you. Sit there. The ass name never too late. Can't lose.
Wait. You don't leave the ear.
Are you will become to sit with?
No, bother with that. Don't bother with that. Because I don't do favors at this early hours of morning. Oh.
I want to cut out that boy tongue, you see.
Hey, cast no shadow after dark.
Just cool, man, and stop taking up for Merle. Come in, he doesn't want like a lippy-lappy boy, you know. He might always have things to say. Always having good things to talk about people. Hey, Merle, me like your style, you know.
Come on.
I was just telling Mr. White over here, oh, you're so honest and kind, hard-working and thing. And
Me can talk for myself.
Merle, you're looking good today now, very good. Wow, everything all right with you?
And suppose it never did, I me say no. You should have make you feel better.
Not really. What, Merle? You know everything all right with you, man. Wow, just me a pack of cigarettes and a soft drink till later, no?
Just can't put food in at this belly.
Sure, you're going some man. You know so me pay you back later.
Later? You think so me can tell the stocks people about later? Master, move from there and go about the business here.
But what me I say is, sure, all of we are best hero, man. All of we are black people. You can't handle me them way.
Aye, come, don't get too common. Don't get too common. Because me's not one of those persons where I wrap up with a night time, you know. Me's a different individual. Me and you no combo.
Sure, Merle, man. Cool, man. I'll push it for you. Yeah.
How you so helpful?
Every time. And what you having to make it so heavy?
Livestock.
Sure.
And please don't drop none.
No.
You know, Merle's spot lamp's not a bad brother after all.
Him is too damn thief and craven. Aye, and please, nobody going to go search up for nothing, you know. Oh.
Sure, you're going. Sure.
And spot lamp, while you're cleaning down, you see, make sure you clean the arm, the wheel them.
All right.
And anywhere your hand touch, wipe it off.
All right.
Mr. White, I leave you now, you hear? All right, come. Nobody over me.
Let me just make sure she can.
Come on. Yes.
Thank you.
Go buy a piece of bread and eat with that.
Yes. Hey, Murray,
Don't touch me, man! Because this is a girl and I don't want to catch none. And look here now, I can tell you something, you see. I'm getting some deodorant from foreign next week. Take me advice and get deodorized. Oh. And you see, next time you're talking to me, turn your head that way. Because you got some bullet to fly out your mouth and I don't want to come and mash up the face. Oh, Mr. White, later.
just one, man. Sure. Thank you again.
Galamma.
So, Mr. White, how about never too late?
I will think about it.
I?
Yes, I.
See, I. But remember, never be too late.
Every night I go to sleep, I see my dream. It's a long Hi, sweetheart. How are you?
Party. And me's not your sweetheart. Me tell you tell us my man they are foreign and me might soon join him.
Well, I'm right here, ready for action. Baby, you know how long I want to hold you and let this out of mind enfold you? Sweetheart, I can see the stars of Bethlehem shining in your bones.
Don't breathe another word. If you ever come 1 foot closer, you see, I'm going to kick you which part it hurts.
Don't talk to me like that. Is it the way I feel? And the breeze blow hard, I get hard.
Well, look, some water and cool on your emotion.
Pretty soon this yard will be mine. But I will have to get tough, real tough. Sweetheart, I have a gift for you.
I don't give them kind of night, sir.
Stop pretending, take it. Please take it, sweetheart.
I don't have the price to pay. Give it to your wife.
Don't upset my brain, because I don't want to lose my temper and throw you out.
No bother take out your frustration upon me. Where you take me a papi show?
What do you want? Well, money, love, advice, or just plain simple sex?
Girl, that to your wife. She needed much more.
Wife! She's a goddamn blasted problem. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that. Let's get down to business, sweetheart. Let's get it on.
You think send me a mattress?
I can lay my head anywhere I want. And I can put Charlie anywhere I want.
Yeah, your Charlie can't go to hell.
Just sexy, baby. You know how long I want to hold you and squeeze you, one another? Anyway, how about this? A friend of mine is looking for a domestic helper to live in. I mentioned your name.
I don't want a living job, sir.
Days is free rent and board.
So was the last one, and it nearly get me into lots of problems. Because that maniac friend of yours, he couldn't keep your in my pants. If me did ever stay 1 more week, you say I'd charge you murder.
Okay, you won't have any problem with this one.
When the man is all the same, when you just can't keep any things into no pants. I like you, sir. You shouldn't just left your things at your yard with your wife.
I said, forget about the wife. Let's get down to business. Really.
My business is Greece. Hey, just go home, sir.
Greece? What are you talking about?
None of your business, sir.
Okay, if you say so. You know you have long, athletic, beautiful legs, darling?
No make that bother you. Because if you ever put one finger upon them long athletics, beautiful legs here, you see, me drop pure scanner upon your name.
Lord Jesus. Lord Jesus.
Stop behaving like them thirsty old man, no, sir.
Thirst is not the word, sweetheart. Oh, you think this old? This old one bad like one goat?
Well, enough she got their pastor.
Sweetheart, being around you put my temperature on fire. I feel hot.
Go look, cool down from your wife.
As I forget about the wife, this thing is getting hard on me, darling. Relieve me my tension.
Go put some coach pan.
This woman is driving me crazy. Crazy, she's driving me crazy. She don't even spend an hour with me anymore. I don't know what she's up to. I don't know what she's doing anymore. But I still love her, Daisy. I'll do anything for her.
Well, you ever seem to think about his other woman in Rome?
Oh, that is just a pastime. But I still love her. I don't want to lose her. I've been trying for such a long time. Listen, I've been to some of the best high schools in Jamaica. And I've been to one of the best universities in America. After that, I worked my ass off to provide food and shelter for my family. But back I am dropped. And my life hasn't been the same since. Now my wife is working. She can hardly find time for me. She should be staying home looking after the kids. But no. She's always busy with friends or meetings. After 20 years of marriage and 4 kids, she's giving me the runaround.
But, sir, she sit down with you for 20 long years. She take care of you and give you 4 picking. And because she feel for do something different now, you must go outside and go keep woman with her. I make the man so wicked and dreadfully. Hey, I make the man love catching son.
It's not my wish to be like that. You see, I'm a victim of circumstance. I just want to have a good time, that's all. Daisy, come let me rub your belly like guava jelly, sweetheart.
Just go home to it. Hey, just go home.
You're so young. Young and voluptuous.
No bother with them argument. They just dry your backside and go about young and voluptuous.
Sweetheart, please, take it.
You have what's in your ears? Me say me no want no gift. Me's priceless.
Priceless, huh? Why are you playing hard to get?
Me born with me drawers answer. All the man know if do is use the man. But no, use and bata this girl. Because you see me? Me's a one man, woman.
You know, I can pay your rent and give you anything you heart desire.
My desire is to be alone.
Hello. That's the farthest thing from my mind. Anyway, here's an idea. Let's pretend you're sick and you sent to call for the doctor. I'll be the doctor.
Let's pretend you are dead and I am your undertaker.
Are you forgetting who I am?
No, sir, but you are forgetting who I am. I was standing up for you, yeah?
You know what I can do to you.
Is that a threat, sir?
Call it what you want. But me want punani and me getting punani tonight.
That can't stick too heavy for your pants.
Me want something to get in.
Not go over my dead body.
Mr. Richards, I hope you come to fix the gate.
And the bathroom won't fix.
I'll fix everything later. Right now on business, so far your ass inside your room, okay?
Me going in, sir. Me going in. Don't make me stop you from doing what you was doing.
You see, if you remember that mother long tongue boy scandal my name, hell, I got loose inside that tonight, you know.
Don't you worry, I'll fix him.
See ya? In the little one room, hot, you see. As Dreddy would have said, fresh air from Jah is good.
Come, let's go to my car, Daisy. Come on.
When I get money, I'm going to buy a little hatchback car.
Please go home, sir.
Not without you.
Sit down, pan it, myself, sit down, pan it.
You see the embarrassment you're putting me in now, sir.
Embarrassment, stop that. Let's have a good time. Forget about that and let's have a good time, sweetheart.
Take care now from me, sir. For the last time, please leave me alone.
Not until I get what I want.
But look what the man doing. A real product of society. And look what him turned out to be. A fractal follower.
Now go sleep now, sir. Good night.
Damn workless and favor quash.
Talking to me? Now you listen to me. You all reject.
Reject. Reject. Look how your car somebody reject. You have been washed up, flushed out, and passed through the sewer on so many occasions. You are a bona fide reject. Look how me and tell you which one of you are more reject. Laugh, yes, it laugh as much. It is with great pleasure that I pronounce you king of this sewer.
Yes, it is I, and not the host of hell. Jarastafari. Hey, Mr. Richards, what powers bring the eye here this time of night?
The thing in them pants.
Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me and let me do something to you.
You can do anything you want, Richards. Because I'm not afraid of you. You can't even jump off a skyscraper building. That is nothing to me.
I'm in no hurry to fix you. Daisy, come let's go inside and talk where we can have some privacy, sweetheart.
What more privacy you want than this, sir?
Stop playing games, Daisy. Okay? And shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up. And for the last time, just don't shout at me like that.
So, Mr. Richards, in my opinion, the eye should go home.
In your opinion? Keep your opinion to yourself. I don't need your opinion. I don't need anybody's opinion. All I need is you, sweetheart.
The eye just trying to help the man.
I don't need your help. When I need your help, I'll ask you.
Hey, Merle, who drive that big car park outside the gate?
Master, all I know is that I drive my little hand cart. You and she, you won't carry in ya?
No eye.
Oh.
Oh, the eye overstand.
You're lucky.
So, Daisy, how was the eye job interview?
It wasn't too bad enough, but we'll find out about it next week.
Well, the eye should keep the eye finger crossed.
And I legs too.
No, listen to me, Miss Mother Langtongue. I don't want to...
Me wasn't saying anything, you know. Me was simply wondering. Dreddy, you care for a piece of chicken leg?
But the eye don't eat deaders.
Unseen eye. Hi, Daisy. What me you want some?
Just clear up, boy, because I know you chicken, me specialize in beef.
I believe you. No wonder Mr. Richards after for your beef, so.
Hey, me color you know, boy.
Alright, will you tell me that just in the food before you call me?
Okay, the eyes didn't cool down.
Now, I want this goddamn stupid, this stop right now, immediately, okay?
Jumbi dog, go sit down, yeah? Move from there. Face your forehead. Go watch him to now. What? I'm the one contact on. You Jumbi dog and you Mother Liza. You don't want to come beat me now. Eh?
I'm in no hurry to fix you. Right now I'm here to do one thing, and you are not in my plan. So just step aside.
It's one thing me know, you know. Me know who you no rent, so you can't do me nothing. Face it.
Okay, Daisy. You know, sweetheart, I want to be with you.
Take care now for me, sir. And please go home.
Shut up!
You
Sweetheart.
won't tell me to shut up, and for the last time, he's not your sweetheart.
Hey, look there now.
You see your damn mouth?
Everything crash.
You better shut at this, you know. Mr. White, maybe you just take this man out of the yard for me, sir.
All right, Mr. Richards.
Don't put your dirty fingers on me. You lazy son of a gun. Look at me. You should be ashamed of yourself. If I was a barber, I hold you down and give you a good haircut. You're just like one of these dregs in the yard.
Dreddy, you want to make the man stand up in front of you and talk to you like that?
The heart of the weak is hostile, but the heart of the strong is ever so calm. Never let temptation lead you astray. Jaja lead I and I will.
You're this Rasta talk. Pick yourself up and come here. Leave Canada and come to this dry land. And you, all you talk about is foreign man, foreign clothes, money. But I know foreign. I used to live in America.
And then report you for false impersonation.
So I know what it's all about.
Yes.
Money, education, and good living. But you can never go to foreign. And you, ignoramus, pathetic fool, talking about you the Rasta.
Dreddy. Me said, Dreddy, if you're going to turn up there and make the man talk to you, sir. After you mount the giant church. Well, me tell you same thing, Jumby dog. You have neither power, money, nor position. You are a disgrace to the human race. Look upon you, eh? All scum. Look at him, man. Watch him now. Watch him now. Look upon you. You're like a vampire. This struggling to suck out every blood out of it.
You like I'm going to vomit.
Climb over there, say, I'm going to make him wipe it up.
Make me take him to the toilet.
I'm going to make him clean it up. And the best place not going to carry him. Give some sense of direction. How bad is? And not even Christmas. But the man will do anything to get a little piece of. Locks. Him want single Bible to wash him out. I wonder why in that way. Maybe it's all empty, yeah.
Make me take him over the system.
Try to make him touch me.
Hold him tight. Me a come.
Ready? Hold him there. Me a go inside for something for curing.
What do I have?
Me a make a smelling salts and bitters.
Oh, another victim falls by Babylon's wicked ways. Was it the eye he came to see tonight, Daisy?
So him claims.
For what reason?
Me no know.
Does he come to visit the eye often?
Want me work with CIA?
No, but the eye hope the eye not doing what the eye thinking.
Just don't fresh yourself with me, Mr. White. Where you take me from? You know, the man have family problems and he taking it out and wrong.
Well, the eye should be careful, see?
Lads, what a piece of rubbish doing. I should have a camera. Come me love. Push that in and nose and make him smell it, give him that fidget. But wait. How your fingernail them so dirty? You are playing a mother, you are working a grease.
None of your business. Is what is.
Me no know about a good pyramid. Lads, favor when death warmed over. The man's stomach rotten, man.
Too much rum is bad for the structure.
Don't tell it to me, tell it to him.
Never felt so good in all my life.
Well, it's good to see the eye back on the eye feet.
Ah, stop styling me at the eye.
Hey, the eye free to utter any sound the man make, you know. Daisy, everything okay?
Yeah,
The eye sure?
double sure.
Well, the eye is going to get some rest. Peace and love.
Well, seeing that me now have anything out here for do, like I go into my little one room. Me little vinegar butcher and cool. Night. Wait. Wanna hear me saying good night? Good night! Nighty night.
Well, sir, it's time for you got your yard.
So, Daisy, can I come inside and keep you company, sweetheart?
Got your yard. Go on.
I know how to fix you. And that is exactly what I am going to do. Okay?
Damn thief.
The dog, them not like you, man.
It's who on them. I got broke something on them, you know.
Them come every night and they mess right on Merle step.
Me tell you this, every time I pass on the lane, you know, after me put them there, they're just around me down.
Maybe you take them bone.
Sure, forget that, man. Anyway, me glad to see you.
I wonder why.
Me need your help, man.
You always need my help. Me look like Santa.
If you was Santa Claus, I like a picnic that never see Christmas.
Watch your tongue in a boy because me use the full length of this boom on your back.
Be nice, Daisy, man. How do you? Me have a problem, man, and me need your help fast.
You always have a problem. What? Your neighbor string tie with trouble?
Sure, what is joke to you is dead to me, you know, man. Listen, man, sure, I get on my nerves. Me never see a woman want so. She want this and she want that. And when she don't get either either, she take out the picnic them and go on her mother. She knows they work hard to get in and me I try my best, but no, that's not good enough for her, man. She see her friend picnic them and go to prep school, so she want her friend picnic to go to prep school too. Me say no, send the picnic them go to basic school. Cause they get the same education and probably even better too. She want a pretty frack and gold chain to go Madlina. What she want me to go do? I teach she want me to go teach me police can shoot me. I tell you boy, sometimes it does feel like just liquor fall alright.
But that's not solve nothing.
At least it eliminates one of my problem.
I put you in a jail. When a man must always look something to put in the head before they find something to put in up.
Sure, no bother with the lecture, man. What do you Daisy?
Ah, this picnic dead as sun hot. Spot lamp. Try your best and do something and make sure and feel proud of you. Make sure love you and feel for you. And most of all, love and respect her. Because it's racist total business when me hear you with. It can't fall on the belly. It can't sell picnic or basic school or prep school and it not going to put you anywhere.
Look, Daisy, she's not the only one, you know. Me and my sister, brother, and mother to look after. Me tell you, you know, boy, sometimes it does feel like me like a boss. It's like every step me make me step in a fire.
Yeah,
and you know, that's the thing, you know, I do not for people like me and you know.
Well, I understand, you know.
And you see me not going to take no gun and become no politician so they can find my body at Riverside, you know.
But you can't make blood out of stone. But with a little push and determination, something bound to come around, man. Look around. What do you have to do? Nothing. So turn you and make fashion. Try some farming or some, you know.
Farming? You know this is a concrete jungle.
Weed out and want it and you reap what you sow.
That easy for you, say.
Wait a minute. You think living in your paradise? Rain or fall but the dirty tough. But you see me nah give up. We live like puss and dog in this yard, you know. Everybody know everybody business. From up the lane to down the lane. And you see me try my best not to get involved. But with this one over there, it is very hard.
And what did smell the rat? So weird. When I finally decide to sweep the yard, well, me, I beg you to just pass the broom over here so they come out for me. Oh.
You see what I mean?
You know this. Long mouth.
We won't lick off any head, you know. Because we won't make a pressure and make we kill one another. One and wash the other.
Daisy, I mean really love her bad, you know. I don't know what I really do, she really leave me for good.
Dog, go down your supper. Try your best and make she leave you. Hold on upon her tight. Because she's a very nice girl.
Me try, Daisy, me try.
And remember, whenever you have a problem, you can always count on Sister D.
Me know Sister D, I know.
Look here now, me's not someone for raise kite, you know. But if anybody said this is yard that's sweet, me would like to see under them bed, much as under them, make a kick.
You see you, it's like a yo-yo. So we fling you out, so you come back in.
Well, at least when me come back in, you see, me always carrying something, unlike some of we.
May I give you enough rope plan yourself in a boy?
Sometimes it is better to commit suicide than to live amongst dog like you in this place here. Cause you must think me afraid of you. Every time you go out and come in, you want to come by them. It's like a real plague, you know. Very hard to get rid of. Oh.
Well, thank you, Master God, thank you.
Thank me for what? All you, no call me no God, no, because you should thank me, say me live in here. To save your life so much time. And you know, if you thank me, just pay me for where you owe me. And that goes for you too, Mr. Rat. Watch them now. Go on the two of them. Look like sin. You know, son, look like butter again, son.
Daisy, now fear him no man here. Time we catch up with him. Time.
That boy Merle, him is a real troublemaker.
Well, at least me know who for trouble.
What's here? It's been hell going on inside you, man. Just wait until it put on my bag. Marley! Marley! Sour Marley!
So what like you want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, listen up, y'all no bother me not today, yeah? What you want?
How much time is me have to tell you, so you must hang your drawers beside my room.
I can hang them anywhere I want. You see, if I want to hang them on the rooftop, it's my business. Yeah, when I say you own this yard, you might have connections, but you don't own it.
Me don't care what you want to say now. But me don't want to see your drawers them beside my room. People are passing and see them, might think that me have man inside there. You better take them down, you know, because we chop down this line.
Chop down? I chop down, you say, girl? You think that who by the wire? And who string it up by himself? Eh? Look, you know, I don't care what people want to say about you, see? But you see like coming in a good mood, just try not bother me.
Me didn't know tracing match with you early. All me want you to do is head down your undergarments and from beside my room.
Me no tracing match with you. It is not my intention, but I will accommodate the idea. And me not take them down, see them, admire them, and wish them well, if you know what I mean.
All right, Merle, me soon come.
You go down here, your crosses. When the road is calling yonder, I'll be there. Oh, lay it down, lead it on down, lead it down. Ta-da! Ah, how many something I can't find? Ah, too much stuck in the one because I can't find every little thing.
Merlin! Merlin!
Look here now, girl, don't get too common, you know. Don't get too common from here, you know, quarters.
Me have something to show you.
Well, I only hope it's something very important, you know. Because me have something doing in here of the utmost importance. So I mean, I know what is it you want. What you... What the caca-clat is this doing? I beg you take down them out here just to Kingston here from side of the window here, man. And you want people to say me aware there?
That is for you and people business.
You are test me faith in here, no girl. You are test me faith, but me will burn bad lamb for you.
Yes, burn it, and I hope it backfire upon you. You have minded bitch. People like you, when you should not live a bush, when you should not mix up yourself with decent people.
Play with puppy, lick your mouth. And you can't kill every fly that itch for you. But you see, what you want is a real man. Not a man like Mr. Richards. A real man like me. He hackle your body. Yes.
Enough of your slackness, boys. When there?
Me name I got tired. I don't have time for you.
Me tired with broadcast, you know. Say my man they are foreign. I mean, nah look no man. Say me nah look no man for. Daisy of our man in a foreign land. You see me? I love my man with all my heart. And if I ever hear you mention my name again, Mr. Richards, you see?
Alright. Wait to tell me come out, Titanic. You tell me.
Why may know me get myself mixed up with people like you know?
At you, carelessness.
Carelessness is right, but the time will come, you know. The time will come.
Alright, see me now. Come tell me where I got to me now. You're like a frowsy tail walkless piece of trash.
So you're ready to come trace me now from here to Moby?
Me trace you, man. Me not have no time to chase you, know. Because I'm not chasing the cloud draws them where you have a walk banner. Because you can't make man turn and when you wear them there. Come now,
Please show some neighborly love between the eyes.
Yes, see. Oh, Copanat, you know. Copanat. Favor jing bang.
Boy, I just threw me can better than me in this yard, you know.
You think you want? You think you want can do no better? Every day me say me don't know what me are doing here. Every day me say to myself me don't know what me doing in here. Because you see me better than the whole lot put together. Economically, financially, and physically. Oh no. Them always say anything too black no good. And I know me approve it. Oh no, it's no advancement. Oh no, it's like crab. Never like to see anybody on top. But me soon leave us for the whole hour. Oh.
Hear them, Mr. White? The boy have an inferior complex. I carry bad feelings in one black people. But you see you, time I'll catch up with you.
It catch up on you long time, you know. Time catch up on you long time. Just take a long retrospective look on you. You feel like sentiment, you feel like earthquake when it pass through poor house.
Okay, peace and overstanding.
Just go overstand for your steps up. Let me turn upon this whole pestilence, yeah.
The devil strong boy.
Stronger than you can imagine.
Now listen to the eye. I have some good news for both of the eyes.
Mr. White, the way me feel right now, no news can cheer me up.
The only good news I want to hear, you know, Mr. White, is if this girl I live out of the yard, you know. Every day she in the yard, it coming like say, them a test me for it.
Maybe so, but the eye have to be optimistic. Like the eye. You know, things looking good for the eye right now. Like the job the eye may get soon.
Mr. White, never count your egg them before them hatch, yes, sir? I make I tell you something. Yes, when you're talking to me, please don't use language like optimisticism and all them things there. Because you see me here, me know words, you know. Me know words as small as it to as big as hemochromatosis.
I bet him don't know the meaning.
For your information, It is a disorder of iron metabolism characterized by excessive deposits of iron in the body tissue, especially the liver and pancreas.
All right. Forget the word optimistic. Try and look on the bright side.
Bright side.
When me want the bright side, me got toilet.
Oh, Merle.
No matter how Merle, me man. Because everything you take up for that girl over there, so.
Oh, Daisy.
Nobody all Daisy me. Because everybody in this year thinks I'm crazy. You just step aside and make me call her that mama, man. Oh, this man come back for, sir.
Oh, the son of Babylon come to test I and I. But fear not. Jah protect I and I every time.
I am not here to listen to no lecture on Rasta or the goodness of Selassie.
Fret not thyself, heathen, about any lecture on Rasta or Selassie.
Well, I'm here to have some discussion with Daisy, so would you two mind excuse us, please?
Me have better things to do than listen to foolishness. Dreddy, come here, me want to talk to you.
Well, I going to go and release some tension, guidance and protection.
Now that we are alone, let's start business, Daisy.
What kind of business, sir?
You are 2 months behind with your rent.
Oh, me already explained to you about the situation, sir.
Well, the owner don't want to hear that. Either you pay up or leave that prospective tenants can move in.
Well, yes, Lynn, sir.
No particular reason, just business as usual. But if you want to work something out, I'll be more than willing to help, Daisy.
Work what? Something out.
Oh, you know what I mean, a little cooperation here and there, Daisy.
Oh, your corporation don't meet my standard.
Daisy, I know what it's like out there. No? Even the dog, them fighting for a piece of bone.
So why are you trying to put me out there, sir?
Sweetheart, I don't run this show, you know. So, wherever the wheel is turning, I have to turn with it.
With all the medication and face the talk.
That is none of your business. I can pull a few strings here and there for as little as you know.
What you want says a sweetheart, and that is not in my plan. Take care of my body. Me wear your ring, but me don't wear my body.
Don't be so irrational.
Irrational.
And please don't raise your voice at me.
Me can talk as loud as me want, because I know you are paying my rent.
Well, I am not paying your rent, but I am collecting the rent. You see, well, if that's the way you want it, I have no other choice. The bailiff man will be here later.
Listen to me, sir. What you want is a sweetheart. And me can't help you with that, because me have my man at foreign. And whether or not me go there will be my decision. But at the same time, I can't just jump into bed with every John public me meet. Just give me one more week, no, sir.
I'm sorry, Daisy, your time has run out.
Please, sir.
You're playing tough. Well, welcome to the toughest.
Have a heart, no, sir.
Have a heart? We could still work something out, you know, sweetie.
Start working on the hang panel gate, the roof in my room, the glass in my window, and all the other little things there, the pipe and everything.
And the letterbox so I and I can get the mails on time.
Where did you two come from?
From the latrine.
This discussion is between Daisy and I.
And I.
Well, I have said enough. Take care of yourself, Daisy. The bailiff man will be here soon.
Lord Jesus Christ.
There's a whole lot of liquor. Bailiff man, let me ask you something. You hold this man a rent? Well, let me tell you something. Now because we are living a life puss and dog, we must put our energy together and fight off any peace part. Daisy, how much you owe?
Let your mind be free and easy, Daisy. How much you owe?
$60. 60.
Speak when you are spoken to. You say me have a little hog like you. You might have to walk back at me. How much you owe?
$60.
$60.
Fret not, Daisy.
You listen to me, Miss Merlin. I can have your ass out of this yard in no time. You hear that?
Do it. Me boy, you do it because you are my papa. So do it now. Daisy, how much you owe?
This is $60.
Don't worry about anything, Daisy. This is our last 20, but no problem.
And there's a hint. Me not have no, me not lend it to you. Me not give it to you. Hold on. Drawbridge. We have a few things to put on paper. Dreddy, take charge.
Yes, heathen, listen, and listen well. There's a big problem with the toilet. If I and I not careful, I and I will be going down real soon.
You're writing it down? Me say if you're writing it down, separate cistern for pot, palms and undergarment. And other little things like the window for fix. You see your face? You see your face? Ow. You smell something? Eh? You smell something at man and your chop.
Hey, still tongue keeps a wise head.
Chop yes, man, it's quite alright. Let me handle this man, yeah, man. Fix me window. Fix leaking roof. Fix the hen panel gate. Etc. 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 And you see all them etc. there. Please don't write them down. Dirty bitch. I am telling you, see, you can't trust these people nowadays, you know. As a queen, so them rob you. Oh, well. If you can't trust her, a tin of corned beef, 2 pack of crackers, 3 bag of rice, 2 bun, 1 loaf of bread, and 4 soft drinks. She said if you don't have no soft drinks, you can send Kool-Aid and some sugar. But that sound like 1 week salary. Sal what, sir? Salary. Your mother week's pay. Money. Give me my paper. Eh. Boy, say here and not in. Come here. Take a good look for me, you see, and tell me if you see trust mark for me. No, sir. I mean, your name is not sir. It's Merlin. Say Merlin. So who give you joke, boy? That's why I'm telling you, you nowadays speak me, you don't have no manners. You see, when I was your age, I was the brightest speaking in my class, with enough manners. Troubling people was out of the question, and friend and company was not my style. My books come first. You hear me I tell you? And that is why the people them always call me a whole heap of girl names. And that's how me end up with Merlin. But I know Merlin, my name is Merlin. You understand? Okay, sir. Wait. Stick broke in the ears or something. Me say me no name Sarah, me name Merlin. Say Merlin. All right, Merlin. What about the thing my mother ask you for? What about them? Look here now. Tell your mother say, just gone a foreign and a pay now take over. But sir, I mean Merlin, Cara broke her foot last week and she can't walk. So things really tough with her. Well, we expect to get some money next week. Me sorry for you about your mother, you know. But if me listen to all them sad story, me won't be able to pay my rent. Boy, hold up here and tell them straight when I'm talking to you. That's what I mean, just tell you, manners, it can carry you through the world. Then wait, I make you tell about look for me say like me and your papa. All right, come. Come in, I want you to figure teeth. Me not have no bag, you know. But whatever you preparing, you must say, boy, Scout. And look here now. Tell your mother, say, no make me come down our yard for my money. Oh. All right, go on.
Thank
Here,
you.
take this.
Thank you, Marilyn.
I swear this thing I sent on ya. Oh, the newspaper. Oh, what do you mean, what is that? I saw some naked picture and I said, what? Woman raped while taking shower. But the man are thirsty. Man kills self in love triangle. And for me love drive my bang. Visa racket increasing. The Canadian High Commission and the US Embassy have reported top-level officials are selling false visas to many hard-working Jamaicans who seek fortune abroad. Damn set a criminal them. What is? And every time. Reggae gaining popularity in North America. And if the one underprivileged Putnam Campbell attempts to steal my things, I shall be charged for murder. Put him back!
Sure. I taste you. What do you?
But why you damn be a face, you know, you don't see me.
So you can't read.
Come, don't be impertinent out hard, you see. Because you see me here, a 6 GC O level me get, and 3 A level when me I left school. Oh, now because you see me, sir, don't judge a book by the color, or the cover, for that matter. A little, because me can't do better when me I do the close linear, so no.
If you say so.
If you want something from me, man, you ask me, but don't try to thief me.
You sure? All right, now go try that. Good afternoon, Merle.
My name is not Merle, it's Merlin Adolphus Benjamin.
Well, excuse me, Merlin Adolphus Benjamin. I was wondering if you could trust me a pack of crackers, 2 slices of cheese, and 1 soft drink.
You see me look like nugget for the needy?
But you see me become asking.
What me say then and what me say now is 2 different same thing. So trod on.
Sure, how you want if you go do?
Master, anything that turn you on, but don't do it here, sir.
A thief you want if go thief me, police go shoot me.
You know, sometimes looking at you, I always say to myself, you would have better off dead.
Sure, people like you not just judgment and destruction, you know.
But anybody see me dying trial, you know, wanna see all this thief in frozen boy, I come call them destruction for me. Look here now, and I mean bringing out this world, you know, but I will take you out.
Sure.
Oh.
I just time, you know, man. Time is the master.
And his money too. Idle hands make it a poor man, busy hands him grow rich.
Sure. Argument.
Come here. Come here.
What?
You see that little piece of rag we have in your pocket there? Take me advice and go wash it.
Sure, you wouldn't understand.
And me say don't flash the dirty rag in my face, boy, because disease a go round. Look at him, we never hustle your father, eh?
Who, him? Nobody come bring him up, no. Sure.
What make you say so?
Him? I 6 woman mother have, you know. Yeah, man, 6.
She too licky.
Strong woman. She used to work from dusk till dawn to put food in our stomach. And no matter what time she come home, you know, she feed we. Because her belly used to sound like a out-of-tune reggae band. I just circumstance make she can't do certain things, you know. But you see my mother, she had the best. And my father is like a drunk crow. A wicked man. See him at the track today, you know, looking sharp as ever. I'm going like, you know, see me. Mama still talk about him. He used to be a real gentleman. Oh, she used to wash and iron him clothes the way he like it. But you see, after 6 picnic, he get tired of her, man. 2 nights, 3 nights, he not come home. And when he do come home, I'm ready to come beat her up. Sure. I remember the morning when he walk out, you know. Just going down the road, sweetheart, soon come back. 3 years now, he not come back yet. Mama search and find him living in the country with another woman. She couldn't take it, man. Sent her to the madhouse for 4 years. She better now. Little bit on the rough side, but she better. You see me, Merle? Me try my best, you know, to raise my youth them different from the way my father raised me. Right now, me enrolled into a night school, taking a welding course. Yeah, man. Sure, they wouldn't want to bother you with my problem here, sir. Hey, Merle.
What?
And the two you, them, they want to crack us, you know.
Lads? John, I must see shit on me why me have to get so much bad luck in my life. All right. Take what you want. But use your conscience.
Yes, man.
Hi. Creep before you walk.
You're right.
Absolutely. And take that smile off your face, man, before me change my mind.
Thank you very much, Merle. If you see Daisy, you see, can I say I'm looking for her? I want to see her urgently. I have a little business with her.
So I not a wrap up now.
No, man, I just business with her deal. Here, thank you.
Me think you're not going to say yes because me know you lie. And that girl, all she a talk about is the one Lynn Balafarin. Wouldn't even look my way. Talking of the devil. Hi, honey bun, sweetie pie.
That long tongue you have will put you in trouble, you know.
So what, Daisy?
But stop, are you so happy? The ass coming in.
No, not yet. You hear me? Don't go anywhere here. I taking them things to Paula and Tony. I soon come. I want to deal with you.
Take your time, man. Just take your time. So what, Merle, how business?
Lord, me I tell you, Daisy, if another junker fly over my head today, I shall surely be a dead person.
You have any matches?
Me a matches, yes, ma'am.
Beg you a stick now.
I the same thing me a talk about. All me a hear is beg you this, beg you that, beg you this, beg you that. What happened? One of neighbor drink hot pan beg.
I make you feel go on for one stick of matches, man.
Because me don't sell them by the stick, man. Me sell them by the pack.
All right.
P-A-C-K. Parrot.
See your money, yes.
Come. Me not have any change. You want a chewing gum?
You have Wrigley's?
Darling, Wrigley's a $1.50.
$1.50?
Yes, $1.50. And I pick them up, you know, Daisy. Let me go read my scandal paper, Dear Pastor.
Hold on a minute then. That is my favorite part in the paper. One over early.
You love people business, eh?
Just like I.
Good day. May the Lord bless and keep you so you may keep doing your work for people like myself and others. I am a young girl of 16 years of age, and I am madly in love with a married man with 7 children.
But what is?
I am one of 5 children from my parents, and I am living in a well-known area in Kingston. So I am unable to give you my correct name because my mother would kill me. I am well developed for my age. Sometimes people think I am 25, but Larksman, she must have a rough 15 years in. Well, sir, I attend a well-known high school in Kingston.
But I will have to stop very soon because I'm pregnant. What is
this?
This man says he loves me and will climb the highest mountain and even swim across the ocean for me. Jamaican man lima.
I should have that. Me tell him everything when I get through. He gives me money, clothes, and he takes me out every weekend. I feel so proud when I'm with this man because women look at me with jealousy in their hearts. Boy.
This man promised to marry me and rent a room for me very soon so we can be together. Pastor, the problem is that his wife found out about us and threatened to burn him up without all in his sleep.
Uh-oh.
I love this man very much, and he promised to divorce his wife very soon because I told him I don't want to be just his sweetheart.
Pastor, I am confused.
No more.
But she hard too. At nights I can't sleep, and during the day my heart goes boo-doo. Make me see if your heart a beat. No, man, you must see that from in your sound.
Just read it.
Whenever I see him, and when I don't, my thoughts play tricks on me. Well, what is this? This man is 35 years.
My senior. But Jesus have mercy.
Ma,
Pastor, I'm in a bind. What should I do?
P.S. His oldest daughter and I are best friends. So please don't mention this man's name. Thank you very much. May God bless and keep you in his holy name. Amen.
But stop. No Jai speaking of that.
The one with the big bosom.
The one who has with the pretty frock them.
And a one like say she a walk on ice.
Same one.
And you know me did always have a little suspicion about that girl there. Because me I want to say which part just get money for buy them a nice track figure.
The man could have been a grandfather.
The wife should have cut off him.
So I passed the answer and said,
Yeah, that's the clear. But woman, they must take me serious, you know. Hear him now. A young girl like you should not be thinking about man. And especially a married man.
I'm such a old man too.
You are ever so right. Your book should come first and foremost. My advice to you is to leave this man immediately and forget about boyfriends now.
Pastor is right. She should not look inside out of the jail, you know.
Albert, they are jail. They know Albert for their jail, and then last week the man come trust the whole of the same thing then. Owen for their jail. I went on there from
them say I frame him,
free him, but after I'm on a picture.
Well, me hear, listen, don't quote me upon this. Me hear something and me get it from a good source.
Talk if you talk to me, but not tell me.
Me hear said Doris say Albert I keep him on with Jai's friend. So the friend get this friend from country, who in turn get a friend from town and set him up Albert. In the end, the guy said Albert rape her. But you was my friend, it involved me never take it too serious.
But what a mix up. So where the girl here?
Which one of them?
The one with them with Albert.
I mean, you want people say, there's a say. Listen, man, here's a can't go marketing now. But me here say, heard why that jail. A member say, I hear say, me here say.
Say what?
Me here say, police nearly kill him.
Talking about police. You don't know who gone join the force, no?
Who?
Not the boy Leroy we sell tripe in a market, me dear, ma.
Oh, yes,
yes, me here say, Leroy, him no go breed Babsy daughter. And Babsy say, fear daughter can't and tripe for the rest of your life. So the boy have to go look work, so he go join the force. But there's the look, you know. You see, all these things you tell me is the first me hear about them. Because, you know, people business is not my business, so I'm going to make it bother me. Oh.
Hey, you know who write me last week?
The Pope?
Linval.
No, the other one, Linval.
That's my man. Him say, I will be coming up very soon. And him say, if the snow is hard as a rock, you see, and I put it in a little box with a red rose and send it to me. That's my man.
Hey, but if snow and red rose come to Jamaica, that's not judgment, man. But no, I wonder if foreign is nice like how some people make it out to be. Me always say, no, easy. Me ear say, you can't spit on the sidewalk.
Much less we turn up too long. Hey, me here say them have this train, you know, where I run under the ground. So them call it subway. And this thing way up in the sky, so them call it CN Tower.
Well, me love, the only tower we me know about a tower hill of Brownstown. Yes, you don't know what me hear, say, no?
What again?
Me know hear say that the
Daisy, me is back.
Make you so low.
Cha, me have a house for you, man.
How much time have you taken something to buy race sauce, man?
But you have to buy this one because it's a hot tip.
Well, take your hot tip and tiptoe through the gate.
Sure, man, this serious, man. It's not a joke business, man.
Tell the boy if you go to hell, yeah, man.
Sure. Hey, Merle, look. This one comes straight from the horse's mouth.
And the horse is you.
Sure, what do you know, man? This one is going off at 60 to 1. A real outsider. The last time in race, in clock 1 minute and 14 seconds for the mile and quarter. This time in going mile and quarter with the same jockey. Statistics shows him can't lose.
Just out of curiosity, you see, where the horse name?
Wait a minute.
The horse name, wait a minute.
No, man. Hold on a minute.
Lads, make up your mind, now.
Let me up here.
Watch you now. Him a give people tip. Him don't know the horse name and him can't afford to buy a race farm. Master people now believe it that way, you know.
Sure, man. Let me the paper, man. How do you, man? Me just left the thing. Wait, see there? Look there. Right there. No, yes. Foolish pleasure. Can't lose.
Foolish pleasure. But that sound foolish in Daisy.
As me say, me don't buy race horse, so no matter to Daisy, but the horse one name.
Well, Daisy, the calculation has to look good. But me no like the name Foolish Pleasure.
And the ass name, man. And the ass itself, man. Look, man, the owner, the trainer, the jockey, and even the groom give me that tip here. Them say the ass you can't lose. You know, the last time I get a tip like this, me get a brother, and the brother never even put a bet on it. And the ass win, and pay $645. It just grieve me, man. Sure. Yeah, you hear me? All right, I'm gonna buy this one, right? And if him lose, me stop by down.
You mean you would have stopped come down here?
Yeah, man.
And you would have stopped trust me things them?
Yeah, man.
Father, receive me. Because you saved this boy and go back upon him word, Father. I shall be one unfortunate soul who shall not see the pearly gate. Come, you in. Take this money, $20, and put it on Foolish Pleasure.
Wow, how good and pleasant it is to see I and I together as one.
Yeah,
Ja
man.
Rastafari.
Yeah,
Hey, by the way, Spotland, I would like a word with the eye.
So you and him gone in a business now, Dre?
Yeah, man. Private business.
You know, see the man just come in the yard, man. Give the man a break and go on by the race horse.
Dreddy, come and go outside and reason.
The man this come, oh you gonna like say bad boy in your pants, sir.
Yes,
Oh you so
please.
nervous?
This place just get hard all of a sudden. Come, Dreddy, come and try.
Look, I've been trotting all day. I and I can do business right here.
Show Dreddy, man. Trotting good for the eye, man. Come, man.
Dreddy, I want to say very importantly, I have something for you. But first, tell me something. You and this boy are in a dealings?
Yes, man. We in a business.
Well, I and I have been talking about some races.
Yes, race horse.
Hi, hold your horses. Dreddy, I am sure him give you something. Where the horse name?
Foolish pleasure. Can't lose. Foolish pleasure.
Foolish.
Yes.
Hey,
Pleasure.
you hear this? Dreddy, what the horse name?
The horse named Never Too Late.
Never too late.
That's the runner-up.
And never trust when it comes to race horse, you know.
Atlam Campbell, I am not the one to bring you into this world, but I am going to be the one to take you out.
That's cool, man. Come, Dreddy.
You're in a hurry. You're in a hurry.
Take time with him, man.
Take time with mama.
Yes, Merle, leave him to Ja.
Ja no got nothing to do with me and this boy that today. Go on. Hi, Dreddy. Go look back at the tiles. You see piece of rope. Can't come for me.
Oh, but the eye don't...
Lad, man, come on for the prince of the business and go and go do what me say if you do, no, man. Hi, Daisy, come help me with this boy, no?
Me will assist you, you know, but you see if you go and murder him, me no want no part tonight.
No. It won't be instantly. And you're going to have the joy of seeing this boy go slowly.
Who the cool up and listen to me?
Shut your mouth, boy. Shut your mouth and come here, man. You come. You're too deep. Dreddy, look under the dent up chimney, you see the rope, can't come.
But the eye don't like to touch them things there.
Well, shake your eye and do it, man. You know how long I want to do you this?
Never again, Merle.
Just
What the eye going to do?
Dreddy, you'll soon find out. Give Dreddy the $20 for me. Give me.
Show me, tell him, man.
I said, shut your mouth, boy.
Horse number 4 going out.
Give Dreddy the 20, Dreddy, put it on Foolish Pleasure for me. For me get it from the horse's mouth. Sit down.
Sure.
I said, sit down.
Sure. What do you know?
Time.
Hey, you see how...
Daisy, read my Proverbs.
A false witness will not escape punishment.
Oh, yes.
And he who utters nothing but lies will not go free.
Mm-hmm.
19, verse 5.
But what are you precise doing? You warm up for me.
What I'm saying, I want to so jumpy.
Wait, boy, you don't tired for chat, no? You're thirsty?
Sure.
Hey, give one soft drinks for my bill.
Aye, you, Miss Daisy, talking about bill. You know, say your bill is long overdue.
Me will take care of that later.
That's all me I hear about later. What, man? You can't pay on a bill. Eh? Why is that? You can't pay on the bill for time. It's what to do with phone money, no? Eh? Answer me, what to do with phone money? Come, fella. Sharp on them.
Hey, man, I want to do, man. Sure, Lord God, man, I want to take this to me joke.
Don't take the Lord name in vain, man.
Sure. Hey, me and my mother, father, Pitney and all them people that look after, you know. I'm not telling you the situation critical, man.
You're at class. You carry the whole world upon your shoulder.
Yeah, man, I'm not handling the situation that's crucial.
Well, the situation is well crucial.
Hey, man, me know you have the capability of taking any situation under control with logic and understanding to achieve a rational perspective. Eh?
Shut your mouth.
Him know words, but him don't know what he mean.
Sure, man, ambitious, kind, hardworking, and thing.
I say if you shut your mouth.
Sure. Hey, man, me know about this nice chick from the country, you know, and I'm taking her to a party tonight. I can set you up on her.
Me don't want no country girl because the whole of them are generals.
Yeah.
Madam, the eye look like the eye under pressure.
Yeah.
Mr. White, I'm going to cook him in here today. Give me the ticket then. What time are the race?
2:20.
You have any last wish?
We can't hear the race.
Granted.
Well, do I have something to say?
No, nobody said nothing yet, Mr. White. Nobody said nothing yet till after the race. So what I said? 2:20.
Yes, but
so
you the race, man.
now.
And yeah, hold on, me and come. Next.
What time ready?
The man
It's
say,
almost 2:20. The eye saw the clocks and the bank here and the wheel.
Check me on the days. See this. We clap them.
Welcome back to for the sixth race of the day. A field of 10 going at the mile and a quarter. The big favorite in the race is horse number 8, My Girl, followed by horse number 5, One Son with his attack brother, Tucson, the third favorite. The rest of the field are considered long shots. The odds are down on horse number 7, Never Too Late, at 75 to 1, and horse number 4 at 99 to 1. Well, the starter is at his post with flag in hand. But I can see horse number 7, Never Too Late, is acting up at the gate. Now, giving the starter some trouble. The big race of the day is race number 9 for the Gold Cup, going at the mile. Well, the horses are in their position, and the starter waved his flag, and they're off. Taking the lead is horse number 1, Princess, followed by horse number 2, My Girl, then One Son. In 4th position, it's Tucson. And the rest of the horses are fighting for the 5th position with Never Too Late in Foolish Pleasure, trailing hopelessly. Reaching the 7th furlong, Princess is still in the lead, followed by Yellow Rabbit. Hard Luck, and in 4th position, we find Genie's Gold. 5th is One Son. 6th is Tucson, followed by Peterson, and still trailing in field is Never Too Late and Foolish Pleasure. Taking the turn for home is still Princess in the lead, followed by Hard Luck. Battling for 3rd position is Yellow Rabbit and Genie's Gold. Then come Peterson, moving up nicely, Never Too Late and Foolish Pleasure. With the rest of the field, 7-8 lengths behind. With 4 furlongs to go, it's still Princess in the lead. 2nd position is Genie's Gold, and in 3rd position is Never Too Late. Looking good on the outside is Foolish Pleasure.
Yes.
And in the 5th position is Yellow Rabbit.
Wow.
And the rest of the field fighting for the last position.
Yes.
With 2 furlongs to go, it's still Princess in the lead. Locked for the 2nd position is Genie's Gold and Never Too Late. 3rd, we find Foolish Pleasure with Yellow Rabbit in 4th position. With a furlong and a half to go, Jockey Ray Brown cracks his slip on the side of Foolish Pleasure. Who comes storming on the outside?
Yes.
Still in the lead is Princess,
Yes.
followed by Never Too Late. In 4th position is Yellow Rabbit. With 1 furlong to go and coming with a burst of speed is Foolish Pleasure.
Yes.
Are to 99 to 1.
What? Kick him.
Never Too Late in the lead, and in 4th position is Fine Princess. But this race is between Foolish Pleasure and Never Too Late. I am sure a few people will be smiling to the bags, neck and neck. Stride for stride is Never Too Late and Foolish Pleasure. Foolish Pleasure, Never Too Late. Never Too Late, Foolish Pleasure. Neck and neck, stride for stride as they cross the finish line. It's Never Too Late and Foolish Pleasure. Followed by Princess and Hard Luck, and just crossing the finish line, it's Yellow Rabbit. We will return to Kimanas Park with the dividends.
You right him. Mr. Pull me.
anything you say, Mr. White, anything you say. Wanna come hold me, feel me, touch me.
Yes. Pull me.
and forgiveness.
Yes. Dready,
Talk sense, no boy.
yes. Dready, go in my pocket. Wait. Hey, Merle, where my ticket then there? Jesus.
Hey, boy.
Yes.
Take it. Take it. Oh, I am so feeling good.
Yes.
I am so feeling good. Everything is working out fine for me.
Ah, Jesus.
Teddy, where the ticket then there? Where the ticket then there?
Do I have something to say?
Lord, nobody send on yet, man, so tell we hear all the dividends. Go. Chillax.
Turn it up.
Come. No, come.
A dividend.
Make me hear. Master, I don't know what to do. I feel so good.
Welcome back to Kamalas Park for the dividends of the sixth race, which was a major upset by horse number 4, Foolish Pleasure, and horse number 7, Never Too Late, both crossing the finish line at 1 minute and 14 seconds at odds of 75 to 1 and 99 to 1 respectively. Never Too Late returns $1,665 and Foolish Pleasure $1,750.
Lord Jesus, Mr. White, get some water there. Spot lamp.
What?
The paper, my fan Merlin faint. Merle.
Oh, by the rivers of water, I repent in the name of Jah.
Jah Rastafari.
Merle and me, Daisy.
There's who?
Daisy from Big Yard.
Oh, you mean Dirty Daisy?
Mr. White, I tell you, man, we're super rich. We're super fat.
Wait.
Whoa.
I only wait up, so.
Wait, how are you? Yeah.
Why? Last boy, what how your kerchief smell sweet?
Hey, Merle, you're fainting now, Mr. White, dash water upon you.
How? Listen now, Johnny. You see if I never feel so good. How the girl I'm bad in your ear.
Hey, Foolish Pleasure win $1,750. Mr. White, your head quick. How much time that? 20 times.
$35,000.
Blues and skirt.
Yes, you hear that, girl? You see what you miss?
We don't have no regrets, you know. We're only glad for you alone. But after all, that is thieving money. I'd rather earn my money clean and honestly.
Dressing up, I'm going to work. A man in time might be clean, but what you're doing out there is far from clean. It's all right, Daisy. It's quite all right. Mr. White, girl, tell me ticket.
Do I have something to say?
Relax, man. Mr. White, you know what we don't know. How money we are talking about now. Aye, Scotland boy. We know say you don't like, you know.
Sit down, Mikey. I have something to say.
Relax, man. Talk then.
I didn't get to the off track on time, so I wasn't able to buy the horse.
Hi, lad, Mr. White. Hey, now make me dead. The hiding get to the half track on time.
I don't believe it.
Lord,
Me say me can't believe it. Look how me fame and fortune just slipped through my hand like Sammy mouth. Just when I say I was going to move out of here and start a new life, I have to start back life all over again in the dump. Listen, man. Honestly, like how me feel right now. Not even me long last dead woman could have make me feel any better.
Merle, man, I take it so bad. At least when I will come out smiling, you know. Look here, 15 tickets per each of the ask them. See me? We're going to sleep on the back door tonight.
Listen,
Yes,
I
sir.
and I will make a forward step some other way.
Master talk foolishness, I don't behave like a damn fool, you hear? I what?
Cho, Merle, settle up now, man. Cho, what do you...
Don't tell me if you say club, man. As a matter of fact, you know what? Give me back my foreign socks. And you, young woman, please to give me the money then you owe me. And you, sir, you, let me tell you something, you know, let me get that letter for you. Take your time before me tear it up, you know. Oh.
You settle down, man.
Don't bother me.
Listen, Jah will prevail over all manner of evils that impedes I and I progress. Hear this, everyone.
Merle.
My parents will be coming here next week with some very good news. And guess what, Merle? They're bringing a whole barrel of things from foreign for the eye, free of charge.
What's there?
Let me ask you something, you see. You think say one barrel of free issue can come save me out of the embarrassment where you caused me not to this, sir? You think that can compensate me for the open money where you make me lose? Listen to about me, huh?
Anyhow,
All the same.
if I fix up this place, you know, maybe could I make an offer to that landlord?
You know, Daisy, it's the first time from I know you ever say anything that makes sense. Yes. Come and forget your worries. And come and we try and fix up the yard. And then my little money and for Mr. White little money and Daisy, with your enough money, we could have offered the landlord a good offer.
Hold on a minute. We are talking about my enough money. Me no have money.
Daisy, me not eat that, you know. You think me I eat that? You see a man in time, you dress up and go and say office work you go to. Me know exactly where you go, you know. Me know exactly where you're going. Because me have my friend them down at Louis' garage. And them tell me all about you. Them tell me how the people them down there love you and that you're a very hard worker.
So the eye is a mechanic, Daisy.
Yes, Daisy. Yes, you're bad. Yes. Anyhow, you see when me collect the money, I put on some towards fixing up the yard here.
Spot lamp, the first thing you must do, buy some deodorant. And you know, no, spot lamp, you know he's always alright, boy. Alright now, come. Come man, make a put with shoulder to the wheel. Daisy, go and collect the broom. Mr. White, go for the hammer, spot lamp, pick up all them paper about the place, and then you go check on the toilet. And me, I will put pen to paper and write them all where we short of. Uno go.
Amen.
Hello, this is Oliver Samuels, and I hope that you did enjoy Big Yard Part 1 about life in a Jamaican tenement yard. I want to take a moment to tell you about the exciting and very funny sequel, Big Yard Part 2. Daisy's boyfriend comes to visit her from foreign, but brings along an unexpected surprise that turned the tenement yard upside down. If you enjoyed Big Yard Part 1, you will love Big Yard Part 2. To obtain more information about Big Yard Part 2, write to me. Thank you, and I'll see you somewhere at my next performance.